Alright you all, so it is time for the official room tour. That's my room.
If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this.
That's my room, 7106. Let's do it. This door's tough. Now I will tell you all, when I first walked in here, I just bust out laughing. I'm not even mad about it. Why on earth do they give me bunk beds like I'm a child? I'm blown away. I mean, it's so cool because you got a lot of space, even though it's like really thin, as you all can see. But what is going on? Like, imagine if I was here with my wife or my girlfriend, whoever. Oh man, it's just hilarious. So let me start here. I have bunk beds. I'm gonna ask if I can get it switched around. It doesn't look like it, but we'll see. But currently, right now, I do have 2 different bunk beds. I'm probably gonna sleep on the bottom because I want to be safe. Let's see, down here, at least you got a cheap little light. But that's that, and then you got some plugs right here, which is actually pretty convenient, I'm not gonna lie. You got a USB plug and then a light switch. Okay, and there's some other stuff down there. But this is the bunk bed. This tour is actually gonna be pretty quick because there's not much to it. You got a light up here, and then you got another light up there as well, a reading light. And then right here, you have a little stool, and so most likely if I do my computer, I'm either gonna sit using that or sit over there, which I'll show in a bit. But it comes with this little stool, and you have a ladder to get up to the top bunk. Let's keep rolling. So as you can see, the design is different. It's cool, it's nice. And then of course you got a TV. It's a Samsung, good quality. It looks like it's 4K resolution, at least from the size of it, so not bad for the TV. And then you do have water, so $4.95 per bottle, which isn't terrible for that type of price. And then you got your cup of ice and stuff. And then you have a second stool. And right here I can set up my laptop, as long as there's a plug, which there is right here. So laptop, plugs, all that stuff right here. Good to go. I got this as soon as I got on board, so I already have my little blender, which is great. And then let's keep on going. So for the storage space, you have a safe. Then you have some different life preservers. You have this cubby right here. You got some different drawers. So 4 of those, and then you got cubbies down there as well. Again, you all, this is a 2-night cruise. I mean, if you can't find enough space, oh, there we go. That does it all. That makes up for the stupid bunk beds. They got the bathrobe, y'all. If you know about my channel, you know I love my bathrobes, and absolutely, I am wearing this to the spa tomorrow. It comes with 2 different bathrobes. And then over there, let's see what that is. So even more storage space. So again, I don't need all this because it's just me and this is a 2-nighter. But 4 more drawers right here. And main switch. So yeah, that turns the light off. Cool. And you got hangers, you got shelf space up here. You got an old school thermostat, but at least you got one right here. So again, this ship is probably older than myself. It's not the same age as me. But it's not bad for the usual price. Now this is Thanksgiving, so it's a little bit more expensive, but it's still not too bad. And then this is the bathroom. I'm trying to show myself here. Standard shower, circle shower, not bad. It's actually about the same size as you would see in a solo cabin on NCL, so I'm really surprised that they expect 2 people to be in here, but it's not bad for me. Fun looking design. You got your standard toilet, and then you got your sink and all that stuff. And I'm trying to keep myself off the camera so you can't see me. But good space, nice and clean. It's newer looking. It's not like fresh new, but it's, again, for this ship's age, it's not bad at all. And then you got a nice little picture. So that's pretty much it. Again, this is Margaritaville. I'll give you all one last pan. What you see is what you get. It's Mr. Bucket List. Peace out. Alright folks, so this is something I definitely want to do for this room. This is extremely important, is the outlets. Let me show you what we got. We got one right here, that's a standard US port. Got a 220 voltage, I can't really use that one. Over here, you got one USB port. These are nothing that I'm aware of. And that's it. That's all you have in this room, y'all. It's just that one USB port and then that one down there. And then I'm naked right now, so hopefully I don't get in the camera, but that's the lights. That's not a port. There are no ports up there. This is a port that only works for the hot iron, for the blow dryer. And that's it.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.